And I present to you my Zulu queen, Bayana. Me, Bafana.
Hold your queen now. Just leave her for once.
My Zulu queen. I'm the Zulu king. Bafana Bayana.
He's my king. He's a very strong king.
I'm a strong king. I go to Mozambique and I conquer Mozambique. I go to Botswana, I conquer Botswana, and I come back
to Nigeria.
And we are coming to Nigeria, and I will conquer Nigeria.
If you are not, if obedient, she's never win.
If you are not obedient in Nigeria, Zulu king will conquer Nigeria. Bafana Bayana. Nelson Mandela, shout out to you.
Should I move that basket that is there? Should I move that basket? That does me.
If you are good, tell me you can stay fast.
Should I move this basket?
How are you? You are from where? You are from Botswana? Welcome to South Africa. And this is my Zulu queen. I am the Zulu king. I am the conqueror of all the empire in South Africa. I'm covering my manhood because I'm a warrior.
Why you covering me?
I'm a warrior. I go to the forest and I bring the lion. This is the lion I killed in 1971.
When you are ready. The lion skin with this.
Oh, yeah,
the lion skin.
It's not the stomach. They say chest.
Okay, make I take my chest.
Alright, let's go.
I'm supposed to protect my queen.
Okay, wait. You have to do that. Come forward. Okay, use your hand.